Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram gives you several different ways to add multiple photos at once to an Instagram story. After all, sometimes you just one photo isn't enough to tell your story. Whether you're assembling a group of family photos, preparing holiday photos, or scheduling an Instagram post for your small business or marketing pitch, there's a method to bundle multiple images for your needs. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, to how to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your story camera to create story. You can add multiple photos by using this layout feature on Instagram. But if you want to make another, you can just slide up your screen like this. Instagram has a new feature called collect. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can choose any photos from your gallery to publish to your uh, Instagram. I will choose photo, multiple photo. Here, I will choose this one, like this. I will add 7 photos, maybe more. I will add 10. Now you can just tap on next. And all your photos will be turned out like this. And if you want to change the shape of the photo, you can just tap on the photo like this. There's so much shape that you can use. You can also arrange the photo, move the photo like this. After that, you can just post it to your story. It's a simple, right? So that is how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!